Hello friends, welcome to the next strategy of two-day central pivot range relationship, that is the lower value relationship, which occurs when the current day pivot range is completely lower than the prior session range. This is the most bearish two-day CPR relationship and typically lead to further weakness should the market day's opening price confirm the directional bias. If price opens the session below the CPR, you will look to sell any pullback to the range ahead of a drop to new lows within the current trend. There are total of 7 two-day CPR relationship strategy. This is the third one. If you are learning something from the video and it is helpful to you, please subscribe to my channel and like and share the video. Let us take a recap of second strategy, that is overlapping higher value relationship of 2-day CPR. In this, the current day CPR is above the previous day CPR but somewhat below the top CPR of previous CPR. In this, the value is the price is moderately bullish, means somewhat bullish, not trending bullish. It is somewhat bullish day. If you want to know more about this, search as pivot power CPR relationship and you will get the detail of about the second strategy. Lower value relationship. This is the this picture is the lower value relationship. The previous day CPR is above the current day CPR. Okay. If the price in this, there is two type of strategy. The lower value relationship. If the price is open below the previous day price, close price, then it is a bearish day. Okay. If the price is open above the previous day low and above the current day CPR, then it should be a bullish day as per the strategy. We will see about detail in the chart where it is bullish and where it is bearish. Let us take a look at the figure at the chart of it is the Nifty 50 chart, 15 minutes chart. This is the 31st July chart, this one, and this one is the 3rd August chart. In 31st July and in the 3rd August, the 31st July CPR is above the 3rd August. Means the 3rd August CPR is below the previous day CPR. That is the previous day is the 31st July. Okay. The first strategy of this lower value relationship is if the price open below the CPR and below the previous day close, then it is a trending bearish day. And you also know that if the CPR width is narrow, then it is trending, then it is a bearish day, then you can short here. Okay, you see the price is here, the closing price is here. Okay, previous day closing price is here and today's price open is here. Today opening price is here. See, this is opening price. today's opening price is here, okay, and previous day close is here. If this scenario is ahead, then it is a trending bearish day. See the move. It is totally a bearish day. See, bearish to the down. You can target to the next resistance. It is R1, R2, and R3. You can target to first to R2 resistance and next to R3 resistance. This is also previous day low. It is break also previous day low. Then it is a bearish day. You should have to take on the short side, not buy side, only sell side. Okay, this is the first strategy of lower value relationship. The second one is, in the first strategy, if the price somewhat open above the previous day low. In see here, in the 31st July. In the 31st July, the CPR, this is CPR, okay. This is CPR, current 31st July is the current day and 30 July is the previous day. The CPR is below the previous day CPR, okay. This CPR is below the previous day CPR, but the price is not below the previous day CPR. The closing price is here. You see the closing price is here, okay. The closing price is here of previous day, and today's means the 31st July's opening price is here, okay. Here is the opening price, okay. In this case, you have to wait for the pullback, that is pullback to the near to CPR. Here is the pullback. Here is the pullback near to CPR. Then you have to short here only, near to CPR. You have to short here and target to the next resistance level, okay. I think you understand the strategy. Then the next strategy of the lower value relationship, if the price is open above the CPR, then what to do? We'll see the in next slide. It must be related, however, that just because a two-day relationship implies a certain behavior in price, this bias must be confirmed by the opening print. While a lower value relationship is the most bearish two-day relationship, perhaps the biggest rallies occur when the opening print rejects the original bias. See here, in this the CPR is below the previous day CPR. The previous day is the 9th September Nifty chart, and current day is the 10th September Nifty chart. It is 5-minute chart. The CPR is below the previous day CPR, but here the price is reject. Here, see here, one in overnight there is a gap up, okay. There is a gap up opening, and the price is open above the CPR, also above the previous day high. Then this is a bullish day, okay. In this, perhaps the biggest rallies occurs when the opening print is reject the price, okay. It is original bias, it is reject, which is a bullish day. It is show as a bullish day. It shows two-day value relationship. Notice that the opening price do not confirm the bearish directional bias. The opening price is do not confirm. Okay. Of the 2-day relationship, instead the price opened the day above the central pivot range and beyond the period edge price range. In the current day it is above and previous day beyond the high. Okay, you understand this? Okay, this is the perfect example of drastically shift market sentiment occurring overnight. When this occurs, initiative participants are extremely eager to push price new value as a new high, which spark a major move in the direction of the break. Okay, this is the second strategy of the lower value relationship. If the price is reject, then you have to go for only buy when there is a pullback. See here, price open somewhat pullback, then you have to buy and your target should be the next resistance level. Okay, this is the strategy of lower value relationship. I think you understand of this strategy. I have once again I have show the levels. This is the previous day close value. Okay, and this is the opening price. Okay, this is the opening price. This is the opening price of current day, and it is a, see here, it is a huge gap up opening, huge gap up opening, and it is reject the current bias, means the CPR is below the previous day CPR, but price open above the CPR, also above the previous day high and previous day closing price. Then it is confirmed that the price is reject the previous day price and it is a bullish day. Okay, then you have to take entry in this. You don't take fast candle. Your entry should be here only, entry here. Okay, your entry should be here and your exit should be here only, this level. Okay, you have to, your exit should be up to this and your entry should be here. You don't have to any exit here, because you see that there is a pin bar, you have to exit. Don't exit, and this is a bearish candle, you don't exit here. Your level should be, your exit level should be here only, next resistance level. Okay, you don't exit also here only, here, this two bearish candle. Okay, you have, your target should be here and your stop loss should be below this resistance level. Okay, here your stop loss should be here only, just below here. Okay, this much of your stop loss and this much of your profit. Your profit is this much and your stop loss is this much. Okay, you can calculate also in the long position how to calculate. See here, your stop entry should be here. Okay, your stop loss should be here. Okay, this much of stop loss and your target should be this level, up to this level. When it will come, you have to wait for that. This is the 4:2, the risk reward is 1:4. Your reward should be, your rewards here is 4 and your risk is 1. Means if you are targeting, your risk amount is 1000, then your profit amount should be 4000. Okay, this is the strategy. Okay, thank you guys. We will see for the next strategy in next video.